In this video, I'll show you how to change the time or time zone in the ByBit app. First, open your ByBit app. If you haven't signed up yet, check the link in the description to get started for free and receive a welcome bonus of up to €200 or an equivalent amount in crypto. Now, let's dive in. From the Home tab, tap the profile icon at the top left, then tap the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down until you see the benchmark time zone option under the trade section. Tap on it, and you'll be able to select a different time zone. Once selected, your entire trading interface, including spot, margin, options, perpetual, futures contracts, and demo trading, will adjust to the new time zone. You can also choose to change the time settings on your device, which will reflect in the app depending on your preferences. It's a simple and flexible process. If this video helped, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.